Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find old notifications on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to find old notifications, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, finding old notifications on an iPhone running iOS 26 is primarily done through the notification center, which acts as a history log for missed alerts. You can access this by swiping up from the middle of the lock screen or by swiping down from the top left corner of the screen when unlocked. So guys, you can see this. If your device is unlocked, you have to simply swipe down the notification center, and if you swipe up the notifications, then you will see older notifications one by one. So guys, this is the first way, and if your device is locked, then you have to simply swipe up the notification center, or here you can see this, and then you have to swipe up all the notifications that are new. You have to simply scroll up the notifications, and after this you will find the older notifications behind or under them. So guys, you can see this. You can easily find older notifications from here if you swipe up the new notifications. So guys, in this way you can also see or find all notifications on iPhone if it is locked or unlocked. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.